I'd say a typical Brambles person, is curious, loves to solve problems.
A go-getter.
Very knowledgeable, dedicated, helpful and excited.
Passion to learn.
Diverse range of skills and experiences.
Driven and very smart. They bring their whole thinking power to work.
There are a lot of newer techniques and technologies that I'm exposed to, and I try to see if that is a fit into our digital dreams.
There's a really good underlying support network, and if there's anything we need, Brambles has been really good at sort of providing me with the resources.
It's very hard to get bored at Brambles. You can spend 10 years becoming a specialist in a particular area, or you can move around.
You could start in logistics and end up in finance. So you're always encouraged to step out of your comfort zone.
And when you work for a company like Brambles that has a higher purpose in making sure that we live in a sustainable world, it makes you feel good.
We can increase our customer value. We can enable better decision making. Also, we can create a more sustainable planet by improving the efficiency of supply chains.
Part of the business is to get pallets out to customers, and the other part is to get pallets back, and that's what creates this circularity. So the work that I'm doing at the minute is to make the collection side of that as efficient as possible.
You're always trying to change your customer's view of what a pallet or a container could mean. Where the real power comes from is using that data to change the choices our customers make every day to be more sustainable.
Our customers reuse our assets over and over again.
The more often you use an asset, the more efficient it becomes and the higher value you can put into that asset. So by making things more sustainable, by reusing them more and more, we can start pulling things that are more valuable.
It's a little bit like a big physics experiment. You try to observe what's going on out there, and you try to get as much understanding as possible, like why certain things happen in certain ways. And that makes it very, very interesting, combining the software with the real-world physics.
By virtue of having this information available to us, it allows us to take some of the burden away from customers.
We have an instant network of information that we can share with the customer. So I think this is just the beginning of something, but I think the potential is huge.